news.
There's this weird instruction, CMPX 8649, skip 2 bytes. If you look at that instruction, the claim is it only takes 1 byte for that instruction, which has clearly a 2-byte operand in addition to the opcode. So this makes no sense. And then I notice, coincidentally, that this 8649 appears in the next instruction. And somehow this is skipping 2 bytes. Skipping 2 bytes where? What is going on? So the idea is that by putting an 8C here, the CPU will interpret the next 2 bytes as an operand, and this is just a do nothing. We don't care about X, we don't care about the result of the compare, we're not going to use the condition codes after it. So this literally will be doing nothing. So this is how the CPU is going to interpret the next 3 bytes, is like this. This, if you were to jump to here, so basically in the middle of this operand, in the middle of this instruction, and you were to jump here at just 1 byte later, then the CPU would interpret it as loading A with input. So the idea is if you want to open a file for output, you jump here, and then this neatly skips over that and takes you here. But if you wanted to open a file for input, then you jump here, which is kind of like in the middle of this instruction, and then it'll put an I in A and move forward. So it was super confusing at first and made me angry, and then when I realized what it was doing, I thought, oh, that is clever and cool.